City Series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Doran Becker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree.
What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. I got a really cool new personal pickup to show y'all. In my last video, I explained how I got the Howard University player exclusive Jordan 14s by mistake. And if you didn't see that video yet, go watch it now because it kind of sets the foundation for this video. Just tap up here, watch that, and then come back here after. But yeah, these are the San Diego State University player exclusive Jordan 14s. As I'm sure most of you have seen, Jordan did player exclusive 14s for 11 different universities this season. Besides these, they did UNC, of course, Howard, Georgetown, UCLA, Cincinnati, University of Florida, University of Houston, Oklahoma, Marquette, and Michigan. And although I like all of them, the San Diego States definitely caught my interest the most. I'm gonna explain why, but first we're gonna take a close detailed look at these from all angles. I'm gonna put them on and step around them so y'all can see the look on feet, and then I'm gonna explain what really made me want these and all that. So let's get right to it. So just like the other 14s from this PE lineup, they come in the OG 14 style box. All is normal except the label. So this right here, this is just English Soul sticker. Shout out to English Soul for these. And then here's the box label. I'm not sure what this lot number means, but then right here is the SKU, the name of the shoe, the size, the colorway, and then the specific school right here. And inside, the paper, the shoes come wrapped. And this one too. From this angle, they really remind me of the Last Shot 14s. The material's different, and the tongue up here has the chrome in it as opposed to it just being red like the name, but at first glance, they definitely favor the Last Shots from this angle. If you didn't already notice, all the collegiate Jordan 14 Ps from this set have the carbon fiber right here like the Ferrari 14s do, and then either chrome or gold right here. Looks really good. And then the San Diego State University logo right here in place of the Jumpman, and a smooth, plain upper. And this material isn't exactly nubuck. It's kind of like nubuck with like a splash of leather, like one parent full nubuck, other parent half leather, half nubuck type shit. It does feel good though, but it's different. I'm trying to think of what pair to compare it to. I know there's another pair that was done like this, but I just can't think of it right now. In the back is another angle where they really look a lot like the Last Shots. Got the little chrome right here instead of red, but yeah, y'all see what I'm talking about. Inside's all black. They come with this Nike color contamination warning tag. Silver laces with the Jumpman on them. Insoles are black with the red Jumpman. And let's take a look at the label. Made in Vietnam. This AJ14 2183130. That's the SKU. You know, Air Jordan 14 Retro NCAA. I believe the P right here stands for player. So NCAA player. Black University red metallic. It's the color. Size is 10 because I could not find a 9.5. The season is 2025. That's the start of this season technically. And then it says promo sample at the bottom. Outsoles are beautiful. That chrome really goes crazy here. I usually don't clean solid bottoms, but I ain't gonna lie. These bottoms, this part specifically right here, I ain't worried about this and this. But this part right here, that shit getting cleaned. I know it's the bottom, but I want to look just like this. Here's a quick all-around view of the shoe. Alright, now see they look on feet.
I just had to switch it up, I'm in a different mood. I'm up in the private section, we got different views. This colorway ain't hit the store, I got different shoes. She prefer to fuck with me if your bitch could choose. I do it easily, no effort, don't get shit confused. Pull up in that new thing, got your bitch amused. She nice to me, but if you talk to her, my bitch is rude.
Best San Diego State University PEs by far. Now that's not really saying that much because, like I said in my last video, besides these, the only San Diego State Jordan PEs are the 4s, which are honestly ass in my opinion. And then everything else is shit like 33s, 34s, 35s, 36, 37. I believe they have PEs for Jordan 33 through 40, if I'm not mistaken. And although they may be good hoop shoes, personally, I'm not into any of the Jordans in the 30s. So as far as I'm concerned, as a collector, all they really got is these in the 4s. And like I said, I don't like the 4s. That set that they're a part of is a really plain group of PEs. And PEs to me are more exciting when you don't have to like use a microscope on the shoe to figure out what team or what player they're for. You know, so stuff like the logo on the side, team colors, like I feel like that's necessary for a good PE. But those 4s, like I said in my Howard 14s review, those San Diego State 4s, not only are the colors not like a precise match on the jersey, but they don't even have the logo on the shoe other than on the hang tag. So like you wouldn't even know those are San Diego State 4s if you don't have the hang tag attached to them. All they have is the hang tag and the little thing on the laces that says SDSU. But other than that, like I said, you wouldn't even know they were San Diego State 4s. These though, as soon as you see them, you know what's up because the logo's right there. The team colors are there, so this is a good PE in my opinion. Could they be better? Yes, but them having a logo right here is really all these need. But like when I think about how detailed some other PEs are, where they'll just have really minor details that have to do with the player or the team or whatever, and these don't have that. None of the PE 14s from this group have that, but it's not like super necessary. This really gets the job done. Another logo like an insole or I don't know, somewhere else would have been cool, but these are great. I really hope they make more San Diego State PEs because like I said, they don't have a lot, and the main reason that I wanted these, or the reason that I needed these in my collection, is because of this guy right here. For those of you who don't know, you should know this is Kawhi Leonard. If you pay enough attention to me or you watch me regularly, you know I'm a big basketball fan. I've been an Allen Iverson fan since a kid. And, you know, Iverson, who went to Georgetown, they got plenty of PEs. Real PEs that haven't been released to the public, even got some released Georgetown colorways. So if I want to rock a Iverson college jersey or any kind of Iverson Georgetown gear, like I got plenty of options as far as Jordans and Georgetown colorways. And yes, I know Iverson has his own shoes. I could wear Iversons with the Iverson jersey. That goes for any player with a shoe deal. But as an Iverson fan who loves Jordan sneakers, I like to do that combo where I throw on my favorite player's jersey with my favorite type of shoes. You know what I'm saying? So I like the Georgetown PEs for the sake of wearing the Iverson jersey. But my guy Kawhi, who's my favorite player that's still playing, Kawhi went to San Diego State. And not that I was really like beasting for it, but when I realized Jordan was making PEs for them, I'm like, why they don't got no fire shit? Like when I realized it was making like 30 whatevers for them, and then they did the 4s, but one of the worst PE lines I could think of right now, those do not appeal to me at all. I want them because I want to wear them with a Kawhi jersey. And if you look at the San Diego State jersey, the ones they had when Kawhi played in them and the ones they play in right now, them shits do not match the 4s like that. Like yeah, they match them because it's like, you know, black, gray, and white go with everything, but like a PE really supposed to match the jersey like these do. This is really the first pair of San Diego State PEs that I would actually like want to wear. I already had the away Kawhi San Diego State jersey, and especially because this has the away jersey colors, like it was just only right for me to get these and wear them with the jersey. As you can see, Kawhi wore a lot of Jordans in college. Not that I need to wear exactly what Kawhi wore when he wore the jersey, but you know, that's just cool. I've worn it with Bred 11s and I think Supreme 5s, and those was great fits, but none of that is gonna go better with them than these. So I felt like these were low-key a must. Part of me felt like, all right, now that they made these, you know, next year they'll probably do a new set of PEs and they'll probably include San Diego State, and you may like them better. Like I don't know what PEs they're gonna do next year or whatever the next set of, you know, collegiate PEs is gonna be, but it could be a model that I like better than 14s. I like 14s, but there are other silhouettes that I like more. So part of me was feeling like, you know, what if they do, I don't know, San Diego State 3s next year? I'm just picking a random number, but like, you know, I like 3s better than 14s. So if they do the shoe the right way, I may like a pair of San Diego State 3s, or I don't know, just any other model that I like better than 14s. If they do them for San Diego State in the right colors, like I may like them more. And somewhere down the line, I may not regret getting these, but I might be like, damn, I wish I would have had the newer San Diego State PE as opposed to the 14s. But that's a really big if, you know what I mean? So being that I don't know what the next collegiate PE set's gonna be, how they're gonna do them, if I'm gonna like them, I just felt like securing these was a good idea. So that's why I really needed these. And it's crazy because I told y'all in the last video, out of all the pairs from this group or whatever, I feel like everything else aside, just going off of what's appealing to the eye, I said my favorites was the Cincinnati's, UCLA, and probably the Houston. These are up there for me, but if I take away the whole Kawhi going there thing, like these are not the most attractive out of this set. I mean, they are still attractive, but like I said, if I didn't care who went to what school, I would probably want the Cincinnati's over everything, UCLA's, University of Houston, or maybe even the University of Florida. I would probably say I like those better, but when I factor in the school and, you know, everything I just explained about San Diego State not really having PEs and wanting to get a pair to wear with the Kawhi apparel, like these were by far the most appealing to me. So that's why I needed them. Like I needed these more than any other pair in that group. Even the Georgetown, even though like I'm a bigger Iverson fan than I am Kawhi fan, like I said, there's so many Georgetown PEs I could choose from. I'm honestly cool on the 14s. Like if I could get them for a great price, sure, they fire. You know what I mean? I'd love to have them, but like I already have honestly a couple of Georgetown colorway Jordans to wear with them, and if I really wanted to get another pair, like I have options. Whereas these, it's like these low-key the only ones that's really to me a valid PE for something that to me is the only ones that I would wear. Not that I wouldn't wear the 4s. I would hoop in the 30 whatevers. It's just like, y'all get what I'm saying. But leave me a comment, let me know what you think of these and which pair of collegiate PE 14s you like the best. And also let me know if you like to see more personal pickup videos from me. A lot of times when I get shoes, I just, if it's not a shoe that's coming out that I'm doing a review on, you know, I kind of just let them sit in the box and they don't see no cameras or nothing until I wear them, and if I pop out and take a picture with them. But other than that, I kind of just get them to wear. But you know, if y'all would appreciate content like this, I would be more than happy to, you know, do more of this. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Likes and comments are always appreciated. If you haven't done so already, please do us both a favor and subscribe to my channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you tap that little bell icon where the subscribe button was and select all. That way when I put a new video out, you're to get notified and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody, please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.